So many health products are available in the market today. Still, none are as versatile and practical as castor oil and baking soda. Yes, this combo will surely blow your mind. Hello everyone, my name is Sandra Maria Gumansing. You know I am a huge fan of castor oil, and I am learning more and more about the benefits, and who doesn't have a box of baking soda in the kitchen cupboard? In this video, we'll see how these two items have been used for centuries for various health-related purposes you may not have even heard of and have proven highly beneficial. I will name 7 top benefits you need to know about, so stay to the end. Number 1, joint and muscle pain. When joint aches and muscle pain creep up on you, your first instinct is to reach for those over-the-counter pain relievers, right? But have you ever considered a natural remedy? Well, a superb combination is castor oil and baking soda. This dynamic duo has some remarkable benefits. Castor oil is a natural resource loaded with anti-inflammatory properties that work wonders on swelling. On the other hand, baking soda acts as a stimulant, encouraging better blood flow and enhancing how well the oil penetrates those achy muscles and stiff joints. So if you're dealing with the persistent pain of arthritis, or maybe struggling with muscle fatigue after your workouts, this 1-2 punch could be just what you need. Using this blend is a breeze. This is how. Simply blend equal parts of castor oil and baking soda well, and then gently massage this mixture onto the area that's giving you trouble. Cover it with a warm cloth. Sit back and let it do its magic for around 30 minutes. The result is deep, soothing relief from the mixture penetrating your skin, boosting blood circulation, and encouraging lymphatic drainage. A lesser-known perk of this castor oil baking soda mix is its ability to promote improved blood circulation while also stimulating lymphatic drainage. This boost in the flow of lymph fluids assists your body in its natural detoxification process, a natural DIY pain relief method that aids in detox. Number 2, warts and moles. Who said you need expensive, chemical-laden treatments to get rid of warts and moles? Give this castor oil and baking soda mixture a go before heading down the pricey treatment route. This blend works on these skin growths by slowly dissolving them from the inside out without causing any harm to the healthy cells surrounding them. What it actually does is the baking soda acts as a solvent that softens the wart or mole. Then, the castor oil penetrates into it to get rid of any virus or bacteria causing them. This method can take some time to show results, so be patient and apply it daily. How to prepare? You'll first want to mix these two together until you have a dense paste. Then, apply this mixture directly onto the wart or mole. Make sure you've got it covered well. Next, you'll want to put a bandage on it to keep the paste in place. When you wake up the next morning, simply remove the bandage. Remember, patience is key here. It might take about a month to a half for the warts and moles to wither down and vanish, but the wait will be worth it. So, stick with this easy routine and you'll soon see the results you're looking for. Number 3, stretch marks. Ladies, this is a big one for us. So let's accept that almost every one of us is prone to developing stretch marks at some point. It's natural and there's no shame in it. You can get stretch marks when your skin expands too quickly during pregnancy or when you rapidly gain weight. While stretch marks fade over time, many folks undergo various treatments to speed up the process. However, instead of spending a hefty amount on expensive treatments, try this simple DIY remedy. Castor oil's power to sink deep into your skin, which boosts collagen production, makes it a successful strategy. You've got a powerful concoction when you pair it with baking soda, which gently scrubs away dead skin, encouraging new skin cell growth. This blend can progressively enhance the look of scars, stretch marks, and dark areas. Regular usage can gradually lighten these spots, leaving your skin looking smoother and more balanced in tone. This is a huge bonus, particularly if you have older scars or stubborn skin discoloration that have resisted other treatments. Feeding your skin with these organic ingredients can aid its recovery and rejuvenation. Here's a simple recipe to follow. Combine 1 tablespoon of castor oil and a teaspoon of baking soda. Smear this mix on the affected regions and let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing it off. This easy routine could be the secret to fresher, healthier skin. Number 4, skin lightening. They say that beauty comes from within, but it doesn't hurt to have glowing skin on the outside as well. As we just mentioned, castor oil is known for its ability to lighten and brighten the skin, while baking soda helps exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing a brighter complexion. The castor oil then replenishes any lost moisture and gradually lightens the skin. Together, they work wonders on dark spots and uneven skin tones, and not only help to fade scars, but also acne marks. You can also use this homemade concoction on areas of your skin that are tanned or show signs of pigmentation, like the underarm. The baking soda serves a dual purpose. It not only helps to scrub away dead skin cells there, but it also tackles any unpleasant odors. How to prepare? Mix a small spoonful of baking soda with water, then gently rub on the area, such as the underarm, for 5–10 minutes. After that, rinse it away with cool water and lovingly massage castor oil into the same area. Number 5. Stomach issues. For centuries, the fame of castor oil as a digestive booster and constipation reliever has been insane. When this oil is mixed with baking soda, which is known to balance stomach acidity and deflate bloating, the result is a potent natural relief for stomach distress. The role of the oil in this remedy is to spur the motion of the intestines. On the other hand, baking soda offers comfort to the stomach. This combination effectively targets various digestive issues comprehensively. As we get older, it's not uncommon to struggle with bloating, gas, or indigestion. These complications can be gently and effectively managed with such natural remedies. The beauty of this remedy is that its repeated use can lead to healthier bowel habits and an optimized digestion process. If you're grappling with digestive problems, consider using 5 drops of castor oil, but please only after discussing it with your healthcare provider. Then how to prepare? You can also use this mixture externally by applying it to your abdomen. Rub it in gently, cover the area with a warm cloth, and let it rest for around half an hour. Number 6. Skin healing. Castor oil is largely celebrated for its impressive ability to deeply nourish the skin and boost flexibility. Its moisturizing properties make it a perfect cure for dry skin, stretch marks, as we mentioned earlier, and even small cuts. When you mix it with baking soda, an excellent natural scrub, this combo works together to strip away dead skin cells and hasten the regeneration of new ones. Research has pointed out that castor oil can potentially boost collagen production. What does this mean for you? It is crucial in minimizing scar appearance and enhancing your skin's overall feel and look. Another perk of using this blend is the antimicrobial properties in both components, which significantly safeguard wounds from infections. So how can you make the most out of this? It's easy. Simply mix a tablespoon of castor oil with a teaspoon of baking soda to form a paste. Apply this paste to the area in question and let it work its magic for about 15 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water. For best results, use this mixture daily. It's as simple as that. Number 7. Fungal infections and insect bites. Both baking soda and castor oil come equipped with antifungal properties that can assist in tackling a range of fungal infections, ranging from athlete's foot to other types of fungus. The duo works its magic by dissolving the fungi's protective layers, thus setting up an unfavorable surrounding for their survival. For fungal infections, here's how to put it to use. Craft a mixture using equal amounts of baking soda and castor oil. Gently apply this concoction to the troubled area. Let it sit and do its thing for about 20 to 30 minutes, then wash it off. Remember to repeat this process twice daily until the infection subsides. If you're struggling with insect bites or skin irritation, this combo can also step in for the rescue. It eases itching, diminishes redness, and provides soothing relief. The castor oil in the blend delivers moisturizing benefits and curtails inflammation. Simultaneously, the baking soda counters the acid that triggers irritation. For insect bites, to experience almost instant relief, dab a little quantity of the mixture right onto the insect bite or rash. Leave it there for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse. You'll feel the comfort setting in almost immediately. So this is it, guys. Have you tried any of these? Do you have any questions or any other remedies you want to share? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting stuff like this next video.